babes, welcome back to my channel. This is BrownGirlBella and we are counting down to Bellamas 2024. We're on day number 13 and today I wanted to bring you the best palettes of 2024. These babies have been making waves this year and we've got some real heavy hitters in the mix. But back to the palettes. From stunning neutrals to bold pops of color, these palettes are all about versatility. Pigmentation is bomb and creating looks that will turn heads. We're talking about Natasha Denona's Golden Palette, I Need a Warm Palette, her Roxa Palette, and 𝕊𝕦𝕡𝕟𝕣 Lightwork Volume 6. Now I know what you're gonna say, the cards are stacked up against 𝕊𝕦𝕡𝕟𝕣, but really, when I looked at everything that I reached for this year, these are the ones that have constantly been in rotation in 2024. So first up, we have the Golden Palette by Natasha Denona. Now, this palette is a celebration of golds and bronze. It's got everything that you need to create a warm, glowy, sun-kissed look. Buttery, creamy mattes that blend like a dream. These metallics are next level, especially this one here. Oof, such a rich golden hue. My goodness, that was Oro. And it gave me such versatility, but with a pop of glam. I could see this being a go-to for weddings, for fancy dinners, for the holidays, whatever you want to do with it. It's like you're going to be glowing from within using this shade. Next, we have Natasha Denona's I Need a Warm Palette. Okay, if you love warmth, and you're like, I just want all of my shadows to have that cozy, that sun kiss, that autumn vibe, then this palette is everything you want and then some. It's got a mix of fiery oranges, reds, and deep, deep browns. You can create literally a whole warm tone look from start to finish with this palette. This is perfect for my brown girls because these tones and the deeper brown tones, yes, they're coming for us. And they're, you know, living your best warm tone life. Then this palette is truly your new bestie. Okay, babes, hold on. Roxa, she was an absolute vibe. Natasha Denona did the doggone thing with this one. This palette has everything you want and then some. Listen, this purple shimmer right here, next level. So, so beautiful. Look at that. And then the deep berry shade, just perfection for creating depth for the outer corners of your eye. Just whatever you want to do, whether it's a dramatic night out or a creative, bold daytime look, this palette will hold you down. I mean, seriously, the vibes in here are just extraordinary. And you don't have to be a purple lover to love this palette, because trust me, I'm not a purple lover, but I absolutely love this palette and what it provides. All right, now let's talk about something a little more extra. And when we talk extra, we're talking 𝕊𝕦𝕡𝕟𝕣. This is not your basic palette. It's not even about being basic here. It's about artistry. It's about the range of shimmers, the dual chromes, even those multi-chrome pigments like hello. You will not find anything like this on the market. Look at this. I've already fat fingered half of this palette. It is absolutely a marvel to behold. Absolutely. So again, the dual chromes, the multi-chrome shifts, I mean, look at this green to purple shift here. Is this not extraordinary? You can layer these on top of each other, or you can do a one and done. I feel like this palette here is for the artist who wants to just take it to the next level, or someone who's experimenting with light and color, but still wants to create something that's wearable and neutral and not too out there, even if it's a little bit avant-garde to do so. Because these are a dream. They really are. And they melt into the skin like nobody's business. There you have it, babes. The nominees for Best Palette of 2024. But we need to hear from you. I got the mix of golds, bronze, warm tone heavens with the I Need a Warm palette. I've got the smoky, seductive vibes with Roxa, and I brought you an artistic and high impact shimmer with 𝕊𝕦𝕡𝕟𝕟𝕜 Lightwork Volume 6. So, which one will you choose to be the best palette of 2024? I need to hear from you. Drop it down in the comment section below. Follow the community tab to vote officially. And babes, it's a tough choice. I know it is, because the palettes in and of itself are so unique. Whether you're a warm tone queen, or you want something a little bit more out there, or you want something that's a little bit more everyday glam, I got you covered, baby. But I want to hear from you. Make sure that you vote on my community tab. Make sure that you comment and like. And if you're new and you like what I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload, post, or go live. Until we meet again, babes, you have now been Bellafied. Happy Bellamas.